And you turn again and be staring. I did train. Why they be lazy? And then turn and come back. They were talking about coach. Get to the bridge, you can cross. But on high tide now. This place can now be expanded. These are some of the one I met with the chair.
On inspection of some critical projects that we believe that has direct bearing and impact in the life of our people. The first one we visited was a road in my place, Opobo, Nkoro Local Government Area. It's a project that we strongly believe will link two communities together. We have a community called Epellema that you normally access through the river. So we thought it wise that embarking on a project that will connect the Epellema to the Kalaibiama will bring development and also help in saving lives of our people as a result of both mishap and other things. We also went into Opobo main town to look at the work ongoing on the Opobo ring road. We are very satisfied with what we saw, and we strongly believe that in the next 3 months that project will be delivered. We are in Bori now. We've been here before, if you remembered, when this project was somehow stalled. We spoke to the contractor and gave him a matching order. And after then, he came back to site. We're here to see what is going on. And I strongly believe that he has really done as we expected. The Bori Internal Road is a cluster of roads, not connected to one, but about 13.3 kilometer road, scattered around different streets. The essence of this road is for the Ogoni people here and the strangers that are living here to have easy accessibility and also have feel the impact of government. It's an old city, and part of our agenda is to rebuild and ensure our people that those original cities that have been planned by our forefathers, the planners and the founders of River State, that will bring those ideology back. So the major reason of ensuring that this project is completed is because we want to make sure that we bring back Bori to its city's position. I just want to assure the good people of Bori and the Ogoni people that this project will be completed in a couple of months and we'll be here to commission it. You know, like I said when I started, we have chosen to do those things that will touch the life of our people directly. And I can assure you that this road is one project that they've been yearning for. And you can see the excitement in the faces of our people here. I can assure them that we are not going to limit development on only the road. We have the hospital that we're working on, and we also intend to bring in at least other businesses that will create employment in Ogoni land. Thank you.
Let's go.
It's a very thick jungle. What's your part, man?
Already here.
Open up.
I know the truth is the sun. Capture this place now. It becomes a new town.
I teach you walk. Be serious.